So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for choosing to click on today's video. You guys are amazing and I really truly do appreciate every single one of you that takes the time out to click onto my videos. I really truly do appreciate it and thank you so much. Welcome if you are brand new. My name's Simran and I like to make videos on various different topics, whether it be fashion, travel hauls, you name it. If I feel like it can help, I do like to talk about it. Without further ado guys, let's get into today's video. I am so super excited. It's something that I've always wanted and I'm just really excited and I just want to share it with you guys. So if you have watched my previous videos in the past, you guys do know that I am actually quite obsessed with YSL. I love YSL as a brand. I think their products, their items, their styling is absolutely amazing. And I think for what you pay and the quality that you get, I just love YSL. Now this bag that obviously you know it's a bag because it's in the title, but this item I'd wanted for a long time, and obviously it's expensive, but it's not as expensive as, let's say, other bags in that style are out there, but it's still expensive. So obviously I wasn't going to just go and spend. I needed time to think about whether I really truly wanted it. After watching like a million videos, I was like, right, I want this bag in my life. So, and here we are. So what I've decided to do is, obviously I couldn't wait any longer when I received the bag, so I've already done my unboxing. But what I did do for you guys is, because I couldn't wait, I'm sorry, and I wanted to see obviously the package, see everything was intact, what I did for you guys was I actually videotaped me unboxing the bag. So you do have the original unboxing video that's coming up next. I'm going to now insert, so you get to see the original unboxing of the bag. So let's have a look. Let's go. So as you can see, I've gone with the black color and I just felt like it would probably be the best option for myself, because I wanted to be able to use this bag and not feel afraid. And initially I was thinking of getting the dark beige, but I figured I probably should start with the black first, and then maybe later on I can add the lighter color to my collection. But it's such a beautiful bag. I'm so grateful that I've gotten it from YSL direct. So obviously I feel like I've had the full experience, and you can tell that there's so much craftsmanship that has gone into this bag. Every little tiny detail is just perfect. I mean, it's just here she is. I mean, she is, I mean, I don't know why we call bags she's, but here she is. I just think it's so beautiful. I mean, what a stunning piece. I haven't taken the tag off yet because I wanted to keep it as authentic as possible for you guys, but she is beautiful and I'm so happy to add her to my collection. I think she's beautiful. I love every tiny weeny detail about this bag. I mean, it's just attention to detail. It smells amazing. And I feel content in my life for now. I mean, she's a stunner, right? I mean, she's beautiful. So what I'm going to do for you guys next is I'm actually going to include some mod shots so you can have a look at where it actually sits on me and the different ways that you can wear this bag. But I'm just so happy I have her. I mean, I haven't officially used her yet, but I already know I'm going to love using her. If that makes sense. I love this bag. I think it's beautiful. I think it's a stunning piece. So let's get into me with the mod shots. And there you go, guys. That was my mini unboxing of the YSL LOULOU small size bag, shoulder bag. I love it. I mean, I have had, obviously, I'm going to insert the other YSL bag that I have, but I'm kind of over the kind of camera style, and I just felt like the chain is very long. There's not a lot of ways that you can wear it. So I kind of wanted a nice classic shoulder bag, and I feel like this is perfect. I think if I was to purchase another bag, I'd probably get one of these bags again, but in a lighter color, and then that's it. I don't really feel like I need a lot of other bags in my life, so I'm absolutely content. I think she is stunning, and I think if you are contemplating buying her, she's definitely worth every single penny. I think she's beautiful. I mean, the details. As I showed you in the close-up as well, there's just so many tiny, minute details that just makes this bag stunning. So that was the end of my mini unboxing of my new YSL small mini LOULOU bag. I hope you guys have enjoyed sharing this moment with me as much as I have enjoyed sharing this moment with you guys. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask. Leave a comment in the comment box and I would love to get back to any of you guys regarding the bag or anything else. And I thank you from the bottom of my heart. If you have made it to the end of the video today, thank you so much, and could you please perhaps consider subscribing and liking the video if you have enjoyed today, because then that would mean the world to me as well. So till next time, guys, take care, stay safe, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you, bye.